Okay.
Oh.
Miles shooting a 357 Magnum, but we have 38 plus piece cartridges in it. He gets one more shot. How'd you do?
One more.
All right. Where are your two shots?
Huh?
Where are the two shots?
What?
Where'd the two shots hit?
7. 4-7.
Okay, that's good. That's a kill shot. Last one.
Let me look at you too. Oh!
Yay! Let's check this out. Let's see what he's so excited about.
Right there.
Damn! Yeah, baby. There it is. There's the other two. That is 3 kills. Nice job, Miles.
So everything in the black is a kill?
Pretty much. If you put that target on your chest, you're gonna see.
So here.
See, check this out, Miles. Anything with that, if that was a 357 mag,
For that.
that'd be close to a kill shot
wow.
too. With the right cartridge.
Yeah.
Like with the 357 mag or a 45, a 9mm,